Hello, this is RJ with RJ's Amazing Entertainment. I'm going to teach you how to twist a quick Santa balloon hat, which is great for lines and restaurants. First thing we're going to do is take a red 260. We're going to inflate it fully, or like stretch it out just a little bit if it's for an adult. We're going to take this balloon, size it to the head, and we're going to make a very simple, like, Peter Pan hat. Find the middle of the balloon or close to it. Bring it down to the other side. Lock it into place, and we have a very basic pan hat. Then we're going to take a white 5-inch round. This may even be a pearl white. Fill it up. About 2.5 pumps. Attach it to the top of the hat. Okay, and here's the basic hat. You want to take this a step further. You can use a white 260 or a white 160, whichever your preference is. Inflate it all the way. Burp it a little so it doesn't burst as easily. Stretch it out. So there is a way to just attach this end first, which is sometimes easier to attach it on this end, and then twist it all the way down. And then attach it on the other end. And then you have an adorable Santa hat for kids or adults to wear. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.